Guys, because I'm lazy, this is how I'm going to cook my egg. Watch me. Alright, open this can. This is oil. You splash a little oil there and put your eggs over there like that. Put it in the trash. Then you put some seasonings, salt and pepper. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. That's it. And I think that's it. Let's put it in the microwave. Cover it and microwave for like maybe 1 or 2 minutes. And then this one, that's it. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check it out. Dun, 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 dun. Here's my egg. Where is that? Can't see it. Here. Here's my egg. Yay! It looks perfect. See? That's my egg. It's quick and easy. Now, bon appetit. Yum yum.